If you're looking to earn more money through job to become rich, or you're just getting started in the corporate world, then this video is for you. We've ranked some of the highest paying careers or jobs in the world, which will help you to reevaluate your career decisions. So here is the list of top 20 jobs or careers in the world right now. Welcome to Within 15. Number 20. Lawyer. Average salary $141,890 a year. I'm sure most people are familiar with lawyers. And it is also one of the highest paying jobs in the world right now. In order to make the big bucks in this profession, you need to study for a number of years, pass several examinations and, of course, pass the bar. Number 19. Marketing manager. Average salary $145,620 a year. Marketing managers are responsible for planning, executing, and delivering companies' marketing policies and plans. They are generally considered the strategist in an organization and are paid in big numbers. Number 18. Podiatrist. Average salary $148,470 a year. Now, if you have curiosity about feet, then becoming a podiatrist could be something to look into. Podiatrists specialize in diagnosing and treating foot-related issues, deformities, and diseases. If you're thinking about becoming a podiatrist, then you'll need to get a bachelor's degree first and then go to podiatry school for around 4 years. Number 17. Petroleum engineer. Average salary $154,780 a year. If you have a keen interest in natural gases and oil, then becoming a petroleum engineer might be for you. A strong understanding of maths and science would be very beneficial for a career in engineering, and depending on where you live, some governments will even pay for your studies if you want to pursue a career in this type of engineering. Number 16. IT manager. Average salary $157,530 a year. Responsible for protecting and securing a company's IT infrastructure and networks from things like malware and hackers. IT managers usually have a broad understanding of computing as well as a particular specialism. In their day-to-day roles, they'll also supervise any software or hardware upgrades as well as troubleshoot any technical issues. Number 15. Airline pilot. Average salary $161,280 a year. It's one of the highest paying careers in the world and comes with a lot of perks. Having said that, to earn the big bucks and get all the perks, you'll have to go through vigorous training and physical examinations, as well as continually keeping up with new tests and checkups. Number 14. Nurse anesthesiologist. Average salary $169,450 a year. These professionals play a big role in the safety and conditions of patients in hospitals. They are responsible for administering anesthesia, overseeing patients' recovery, and monitoring patients' vitals. In order to become an anesthesiologist, you'll need to first train as a registered nurse and then obtain a master's degree from an accredited nurse anesthesia program. Number 13. Dentist. Average salary $174,110 a year. We all know a visit to good dentist doesn't come cheap, especially if you get caught off guard and have a surprising procedure. Well, all those surprises and regular checkups can add up to some pretty decent revenue for most dental practices. But, to reach that level, you'll have to study for several years, pass a lot of examinations, and really hone your craft and reputation. Number 12. Pediatrician. Average salary $183,240 a year. A pediatrician's main responsibilities will be to diagnose, prevent, and treat diseases and injuries in children. And making $183,240 a year helping children to get better sounds like a great deal to me. Number 11. Prosthodontist. Average salary $196,960 a year. Slightly different from a dentist, prosthodontists are responsible for constructing oral prostheses to replace missing teeth or any other oral deformities. They are often referred to as dental plastic surgeons, as they do a lot of cosmetic work. Number 10. Internist. Average salary $198,370 a year. Sometimes in life, it can be difficult to determine what's causing pain in our body, especially if it's not immediately obvious on the outside. Internists are physicians that provide a diagnosis and non-surgical treatment plans for internal injuries or diseases. Number 9. CEO. Average salary $200,140 a year. To be employed as a chief executive officer by a company, you'll need to have gained a lot of experience in the managerial side of running a business and leadership qualities, and it often takes many years of relevant work experience and a proven track record of success before an individual can be considered ready to become a chief executive. Number 8. General practitioner. Average salary $208,560 a year. The first point of contact for anyone that's suffering from any kind of pain or illness is usually a general practitioner. Your GP will advise, diagnose, and treat any health-related issues you have, or recommend for you to see a particular specialist depending on your symptoms. To become a general practitioner, you'll need to go through approximately 7 to 10 years of training and education. Number 7. Psychiatrist. Average salary $216,090 a year. Psychiatrists diagnose and treat disorders of the mind. They're paid to listen to patients' issues and determine the root cause of their problems. It's obviously a lot more detailed and systematic than that, but that is the long and short of it. But as you can see, it could be well worth your time and effort, as the average salary is approximately $216,090. Number 6. Orthodontist. Average salary $228,500 a year. Number 6 is the third profession in the dental field on our list, and the highest paid of them all. Orthodontists are responsible for examining, diagnosing, and fixing any dental abnormalities relating to the position of the jaw and teeth. They straighten the structure of the teeth, fix crooked smiles, and adjust bite positions using braces and retainers. To achieve orthodontist status, you'll need to first complete a dental degree and then enroll and complete a postgraduate orthodontist program. Number 5. Gynecologist. Average salary $235,240 a year. We have a physician that specializes in medical care related to pregnancy and childbirth, as well as diagnosing, treating, and preventing diseases of women. Gynecologists help maintain the woman's reproductive systems, and their tasks can vary greatly from one day to the next. For example, one day they might have to deliver a baby, and the next they could be performing laser surgery to remove HPV cells, or just carrying out regular checks. Number 4. Oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Average salary $243,500 a year. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons are different from normal dentists, as they perform surgical procedures to the face, mouth, and jaw that mainly focus on hard and soft tissues. Number 3. Surgeon. Average salary $251,000 a year. Surgeons are one of the highest paid careers in the world to pursue. It's also very easy to justify their average annual salary, as they're actually saving lives and improving people's overall well-being. Number 2. Anesthesiologist. Average salary $265,000 a year. Anesthesiologists are physicians that are responsible for administering anesthetics prior to, during, or after surgery. They also have a number of other responsibilities, including dealing with emergency situations, giving advice on pain management, and carrying out assessments in critical care units. Number 1. Neurosurgeon. Average salary $381,500 a year. Neurosurgery is one of the most demanding medical professions and requires an extensive amount of training and education. For example, in order to earn the big bucks, you'll need to complete the normal 8 years of doctoral training, a 1-year internship in general surgery, and roughly 5 to 7 years in a neurosurgery program. Then, if you want to go one step further, you can complete a fellowship to specialize in one particular area. Thank you for watching our videos. If you have not subscribed yet, then do it to not miss interesting things about world.